Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jonathan and this is the Victorinox Compact knife, and this is my go-to everyday carry knife. And whilst you might think there are a huge amount of Victorinox knives on the market to choose from, for me at least, when you boil down the exact features you need in an EDC knife, it comes down to just one, and this is it.
That's one small step for man.
So here it is, the Victorinox Compact. Victorinox would describe this as a medium knife. It's 91 millimeters long. It's 15.5 millimeters wide. And the reason this is my perfect EDC knife relates to the size and weight. The size of this being a medium is big enough for it to be useful, particularly with regard to the knife, but it's not too big. Knives bigger than this I find I am not likely to carry every day. So the size is perfect from that point of view. The other thing to know is the number of layers. This is a 2-layer knife. Again, this is ideal for pocket carry. It's not too big, but the minute you get into 3 layers, it just starts to get a little bit big for me to carry all the time. So the size and number of layers is perfect. The other thing I find important in the Victorinox knife is this scissors. The scissors Victorinox make are particularly good, and I find I use this more than the knife itself for snipping and for cutting, obviously. So I always look for a pair of scissors. These are large, they have a large opening, they are extremely sharp. So this is a really important tool for me to carry around. Now then, once you factor in scissors, a medium-sized knife and 2-layer, you are left with one option, and that is the Victorinox Compact. The other tools are also very useful. There's 3 on the main side. The scissors, which we've looked at. There is the blade. The blade obviously is UK legal, it's non-lock-in, and it is just over 60mm, which is just over 2¼ inch. So that is fine. And I use this blade for opening packages and also for cutting fruit and things like that. So the blade is really useful, scissors are really useful, and then you are left with one other main tool, and that is this. And this is a surprisingly useful tool. This combines 2 of the tools that you often find in a Victorinox. Let me show you. So this is a Farmer Alox, and you find this pair of tools in most Victorinox knives, and you have a screwdriver, wire stripper and bottle opener on this side, and then you have a screwdriver here which can be used as a Phillips screwdriver. You have a can opener on this side. What you have here with this tool, and this is quite a rare tool for Victorinox, is a combination that covers pretty much all of those functions. So you have a bottle opener or cap lifter. This also doubles as a can opener. It's not quite as sharp as the one you find when you've got both tools, but it does the job, and I don't use a can opener a lot, so this for me is handy for emergencies, and that's all I really need it for. You also get a screwdriver on the end, which is useful. And then, and not a lot of people know this, the angle of this, you'll notice, is different to this one, and that's because that angle there at the point is designed for Phillips screws here. So you've got a normal screwdriver flat on the end, and then you've got a Phillips screwdriver there. Again, you wouldn't use this if you were doing a lot of work. It's there for emergencies. And then you also have the wire stripper. So this is a really useful tool, this one, and the combination of this tool and the knife and the scissors and the size and the fact that it's 2-layer make it ideal for me. Now the other tools that are built in here are also pretty useful in their own way. We have the Victorinox hook. This is probably one of the most unloved tools on a Victorinox knife. It was originally developed to carry parcels in the days when parcels were largely wrapped with string, and to hold the string would cut into the fingers, and this can carry about 200 pounds of weight. It has some uses now. For example, if you wanted to pull laces tight, it's perfect for that. If you wanted to lift hot pots off a stove when you're camping, pull out tent pegs, twist wires, and there's a whole load of other stuff it can do. And there's actually some really interesting YouTube videos showing what that can be used for. So don't rule it out altogether. In addition here, this has got a nail file edge. So again, it's not a feature you find on many Victorian knives, but you've got an additional feature there in the form of a pretty good nail file. You then have the corkscrew. Now, I don't use corkscrew an awful lot. We find less and less bottles have cork in them, but nevertheless it does that job. But it can do other things as well. And again, there's lots of YouTube videos out there. There's one particular guy called Felix Imler, and he's an expert in adapting Victorinox knives and modding them, etc. And he has lots of uses for this. Well, one useful one is screw it on the end of a corn on the cob when you are at a barbecue. And there's lots of other little things it can do. One of the things it can do is store other tools. So it comes with this miniature screwdriver, which is pretty useful as a kind of glasses screwdriver. And they've just released a whole range of other similar small tools for this corkscrew. So it is quite useful. Also hidden here is a pin. Now, a pin has lots of uses, from getting splinters out to ejecting SIM cards and things like that. It doesn't take up any weight or space, and that's really neat to have in there, and that's one of the benefits of this particular knife. And then you have the scales. The Celador scales on here are good in that they have some additional tools built into them. So here we have some tweezers, which are quite useful. We also have something which is really useful, and that is a pen. So part of everyday carry usually includes a pen, and if you're like me, you don't use a pen that often these days, then just having one for emergencies is ideal. So this knife actually fulfills that role with this pen. Now, I'm not a big fan of the toothpick, but there are other options. So, for example, here we have from a company in America called the Tortoise Gear Company, tortoisegear.com. I'll link to it in the description. We have something here that replaces the toothpick and is actually a fire steel or a ferrocerium rod. The other thing you often need when you're using a ferro rod like this is some form of kindling to get the thing started. And the same company, tortoisegear.com, have a solution for that as well, in the form of some kindling. And you'll probably spot that the shape lends itself to fit in the corkscrew. So you can replace the small screwdriver with this wax kindling, and this breaks apart into fibers to allow it to take a spark from the small ferro rod here. So it's an emergency solution for fire starting. And the great thing about this knife is it has the perfect tool as a striker, and that is the wire stripper. The wire stripper on this tool, which already does loads, is the perfect tool for starting a fire using this fire steel. So the combination of all of those makes this even more useful than it was before. And I'm going to do a short video at the end of this video showing this in action, so watch out for that. So the reasons I've made this my everyday carry choice for a Victorinox knife is the size, big enough to be useful but not too big to make it awkward to carry. It's thin enough so it's not too bulky. The weight is kept down to a really manageable 64 grams, and then the functionality, particularly of this tool, is really good. Knife is obviously essential, and the scissors for me are a must. Then the bonus is the pen is really useful, as is the tweezers. The fact that the toothpick can be swapped out with the ferro rod and this small screwdriver here, which might be useful, or you could swap it out with the kindling, for example. The parcel hook has some uses, as does the corkscrew. They're really a bonus for me, but overall, as a complete package, this is the only Victorinox knife out of the masses they do that has all these really good features, all combined into one knife. With a knife like this, which doesn't have a deep carry pocket clip, I would always recommend something like this Key Smart pocket hanger. Very easy to use. Simply slide the pocket knife in and clip on the top of the pocket. Keeps the knife in a fixed place, which is great. Stops it dropping to the bottom of your trousers or banging against any other items, and makes it really easy to grab when you need it. Okay, welcome to the bonus feature of this video, where I am going to demonstrate this replacement for the toothpick, this Ferrocerium rod, combined with this tinder built into the corkscrew. And we are going to use the wire stripper on this tool to start the fire. So the first thing I do is just use the knife to just start to break up this bit of tinder here. Let's chop a bit off. So this tiny bit I've chopped off has actually become quite a big bit there. So we then get out the tool with the wire stripper built on, and then there we go, second strike. We have a fire. I don't really want to set the camera alight, but you get the idea. So that would, still got loads of this left. That would then allow you to put some more of this on and then start building your kindling around it, and you got a way of starting a fire with you. So there you have it, the Victorinox Compact, my everyday carry choice for a folding knife. And I hope you enjoyed the review. If you did, please subscribe for more content like this. Feel free to hit the like button or leave a comment, and thank you for watching.